Okay, hi everybody, welcome to Huckleberry Botanic Preserve. And what we got here is Rosa Gymnocarpa, the wood rose in the Rosaceae. And Rosa Gymnocarpa is a plant found in basically western US, I believe. I think it's found in all the way up the Pacific coast into British Columbia, and also I think you can find it in, if I'm not mistaken, in the Western Rockies as well. It is has alternate leaves, and they're compound leaves, pinnately compound leaves. Okay, and the leaflets are serrated, finely toothed. And they have a very characteristic pattern of the basal leaflets, the ones closest to the petiole, are smaller than the next pair of leaflets, which are smaller than the next pair of leaflets.
Okay, why don't you go ahead?
And that kind of compound leaf is characteristic for Rosa, so all the Rosa species have that. And this particular Rosa species, and there are quite a few in California, we're going to learn two that are common in the Bay Area during this class. And they're going to separate out on basically how the thorns look. And when people talk about roses and thorns, well, roses actually have prickles. So these are prickles. They're epidermal tissue. And these prickles are very slender and they're straight. See that? And the other common rosa that you find in the Bay Area, Rosa californica, has prickles that have a thick base that are curved. One other difference between the two species is Rosa gymnocarpa is kind of an understory rosa. It lives in the shade in forests, and you usually just see one or a few plants together. Whereas Rosa californica, you often see it on riparian habitats. It's often in full sun, growing in really big patches. When this flowers in the spring, it has beautiful pink flowers. And then the fruits are called rose hips, and they're kind of a bright orangey red, and they're edible, and they have a lot of vitamin C. They're good. So to sum up, Rosa gymnocarpa, your wood rose, has alternate compound leaves. The leaflets are serrated, and it has a lot of straight, slender prickles along the stem. This is a deciduous plant, by the way. You can lose all their leaves, and you'll still be able to identify it from the prickles.